Let's get moving. 6 easy fitness routine for beginners. Hey there, fitness beginners. Ready to start your health journey without the confusion? Great news. We've got 6 simple workouts just for you. No need to be a fitness expert or have fancy gear. Let's dive into these easy routines that'll get you moving and feeling awesome. And hey, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel for more beginner-friendly fitness tips. 1. Walk and amp. Talk cardio. Put on your comfy shoes and let's take a walk. It's super easy. Just stroll around your neighborhood or even inside your home. Want to make it more fun? Call a friend or listen to your favorite podcast while you walk. This routine is fantastic for your heart and makes exercising a breeze. 2. Bodyweight Basics. No need for a gym membership. Start with basic exercises using your own body. Try squats, lunges, push-ups and planks. They help you get stronger and more flexible. Begin with a few reps, and as you get the hang of it, you can do more. It's like building muscles without any fancy equipment. 3. Dance it out. Who says workouts can't be fun? Dancing is a fantastic way to get your heart pumping and enjoy yourself. Find a dance video online, or just dance to your favorite songs. It's not about being a dance pro, just move and have a good time. Dancing is great for your heart and can lift your mood. 4. Yoga for beginners. Ever tried yoga? It's like stretching, balancing, and relaxing all in one. Look for beginner-friendly yoga routines focusing on simple poses and breathing exercises. Whether you follow a video or join a beginner's class, take it slow and enjoy the mind-body connection. Yoga is about feeling good, not being super flexible. 5. Interval training for stamina. Ready to boost your energy? Interval training is perfect. You'll do short bursts of intense exercises like jumping jacks or jogging, followed by a little rest. Start with 30 seconds of exercise and 30 seconds of rest. It's a fantastic way to improve your stamina and burn calories. As you get stronger, you can make it more challenging. 6. Stretch and relax. After a workout or on rest days, don't forget to stretch. It's like giving your muscles a nice, gentle hug. Focus on big muscles and hold each stretch for a bit. This helps you get more flexible, reduces soreness, and keeps you from getting hurt. Add in some deep breathing or meditation for extra relaxation. It's like a little treat for your body and mind. Conclusion. Starting your fitness journey is easy, especially with these 6 simple workouts. Walk and amp, talk cardio, bodyweight basics, dance it out, yoga for beginners, interval training for stamina, and stretch and relax. Pick what you like and get moving. Remember, progress is progress, no matter how small. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel for more beginner-friendly fitness tips. Here's to your health and happiness.